Spotify and I feel it. I got this feeling. Ready to lock in for another day. Let's start this new winning streak. Come on. Let's do this. Let's see. Assalamu alaikum. Alaikum assalam. Everybody for let's fucking go. Welcome back, Z. Z, people saying it's not Asia session until 7 a.m. I'm confused. Look, as long as it's 9 in Tokyo right now, that means it's Asia. As long as it's 9 a.m. right there right now. Look at their clock. If it's 9 a.m. right now, then Yasin, I finally got my payout. Fuck. Bro, like 2 days, man. Always. It used to be quick. Now it's like 2 days and a full day. Almost 3 days. Shit's insane. Like, my Tradify payout was quicker. Yeah. I just want to say thank you for going live and helping and learning. You're awesome. We're really grateful for you and terrible. Thank you, broski. Appreciate all the positivity. Are you thinking shorts today? I haven't really looked and analyzed enough to give a bias yet, but let me see. So daily is inside. 4 hour broker 2 down. Hourly is bullish. 30-minute is bullish. Tapped into a demand here though. Rejecting from 5-minute. I have this here on the 5-minute. GG. Yo. She say, take an M8 or a new ZZ take. Guys, I posted a video and I want your guys' opinion on it. I want some opinions. I posted a video and I want people's opinion. Okay? I want to get a new car. Okay? But should I do this? Is that tough? I want something. I want a new car. If I'm thinking about an M8 convertible M8, you know what I'm saying? Convertible V8, smooth. GT3 RS, not now. GT3 RS, when I secure multiple real estate assets, then I'll get the GT3 RS. But that's like, I kind of put like goals So get a Porsche, that's 63, 911, base convertible. How much you want to spend? It doesn't matter as long I'm thinking about an M8. I'm thinking about either an M8, an M5, or I can keep my car and get another car and get like a Daytona Scat Pack. G82, 6, XM, oh, hi, XM6, X6M you mean? X6M? What about Aston Martin Vantage? I don't know. I don't want to do an Italian car. I don't want to do I don't want to do something Italian. Like so Italian. Audi S7. We're catching it up today. Yeah. Get a Lotus. You creamin'. Have a 488 Pista. Are the red lines? Don't you like? Yes. Look, I like Mercedes, but I would not get them as as a first car. I would not get it as a first car. That's the thing. I would not get it as a first car. I used to have a G80. I don't know. I really don't like the. I don't really like the new M4s and new M3s. Like I do, they're nice and all, but like the way they drive is not like I want a V8. I want a V8. Just get an M5 then. I want something V8. Yes, I gotta get something different from the crowd. That's what I'm thinking about. An M8. I'm thinking about McLaren. Shelby GT350. Nah. GT3 RS. Huh? Because I'm talking to these guys. I asked them about the whole lot. Because I posted a video about the car and stuff. Huh? Nah, of course. Everybody opinion matters. What about us? In fact, what about me? Yo. No. You don't copy trade account? No. It's ZZ backdoor demon. Hey yo. Gotta tell you what. No, I didn't post. Oh, the video is basically. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Cool. No. Okay. Nah. Wait for me. Wait when I go live. Wait. You go live. That's crazy. Limbo. Tracing at a really nice supply here that we're rejecting nicely off of. Could say. You're too rich for us. We can't hear we are on a Discord, guys. I have music on. That's why I don't have I don't have the YouTube opened up because um, because of the copyright. I'll get copyrighted on YouTube. Get a C7Z06. Oh hell no. Where is it? Doesn't already. Look at Z, man, so inspirational. M8 comp. Yeah, and then I need to take it to the shop like 5 times a week or 2 weeks. No, bro. A GTR when it's fully tuned and upgraded, because you really can't do anything to a GTR. It's already tuned. You just gotta upgrade the turbos and stuff. And now the RS7. Get an RS6. I'm thinking about that. I told him about that, and he's like, nah. What? How is an RS6? Bro, RS6? I got OD. Okay. Saudi in Audis. Hey there. You heard that? You heard that song, right, Yasin? Saudi in Audi. I, I Audi. I go in high speed moody, driving like I'm the goodie. I got everything you need. Imitation leather seats. That's just funny. Look. But the people that say alright right away, I don't think they have a taste in like gang. Come on, bro. What? Come on, gang. Turbo needs a Toyota Camry. That's what I'm saying. RS6 is goated. Z, I had an M series. You won't regret it. Yes. If this M3 was in the US, I would not have hesitated. I would have fucking caught them right away. If that M3 was in the US. Bro, if the M3 hatchback was in the US, I would have copped one in a heartbeat. No, you're creeping. I see a lot of people on with the Audis. Get a Chrysler 200. Fiat, huh? Or a Mercedes. Get a Mercedes Smart. Hmm? W's. Mini Coopers are made by BMWs. Yes, I am. I am. I am looking. 911 Carrera GTS. The problem is, the problem with that is I gapped one with my car. So, G63. You really want me to get a G? Nah, not yet. I'm not a G yet. SVRs are tough, but I'm not a big fan of Rolls Royce. Rolls Royce. Not Rolls Royce. What the fuck am I saying? I mean, fucking Range Rovers. What? Not yet. Not yet. Nah, you make a video and say, those are the only rings I want. And then you get cooked. Okay. What? Oh. Oh, Yasin. What are we filling? Longs? Bad wicket. Yeah, bro, you're bottom ticking these longs, huh? What? I want to see how we react off this level first. On exit face start. If we reject here. Alex Faye. Start. What is the minimum contract for gold and build up? It just depends. It depends on the position, honestly. If I'm confident in the position, I normally will size a bit heavier. If I am not so confident in the position, then I will. I'll obviously de-risk. This gives me a shooter. Be nice. But if it doesn't, then we could break these highs and we continue up a little bit more. It's gonna give us a shooter. Still, I want to wait for this 5 minute. See, we're still inside right now. So if this 5 minute stays inside, that would be nice to take off the break. Just gonna wait for that. I'm still waiting. We're consolidating right now in this important level that I have marked out, which is kind of a demand zone. It's a supply zone. I mean, on the 30, it's also a supply on the 15 and the 5, and we did reject off of it, and we're kind of having difficulties right now in it. So I do want to wait for this 5 minute. If this 5 minute gives me an inside bar, and I would probably take it off the break. If it breaks through, if it breaks the 4,000 to the top side, then I will give it a try for longs, trying to target the 4 hour high, and leave the rest to run. But it's kind of important level here, so. Buyers are having difficulties, sellers kind of so having difficulty push it down. So that's a good sign for me. I want it to stay in there because the next break will determine the direction that we're gonna go in. So we have 1 more minute for this 5. Hopefully it stays in. W's. Okay. Very important level here. It's 30 is also closing here, so let's see. Okay. So we had a new 30, immediate break to the top side here, which is good. Do you want to see it continue? I want to see this hourly continue going up. Also this 4 hour, I do want to see it break a 3 on the 4 hour. And to continue for that daily high, possibly a trace around that. But that's gonna come later. It's probably not gonna get that now. But I have a 1 minute inside right now. We're hovering over 11 ticks right here. Okay, nice break of the inside. Break these levels right here. Just break these levels, then continue moving to the top side. Talk about it. Looking for shorts or longs. Could be early G. That's fine. I mean, we broke off the 4,000. That's where I kind of had the mark here that I wanted to see the break off of. We had a 5 minute that's inside. Broke to the top side. We broke a 3. Not 3. I mean, we broke the mother bar to the top side, confirming that direction. Obviously, new 15 was opened up, and new 30 was opened up too. So let's see what we do here. I want to see how we react around these lows right here. Shorted. Good luck, broski. Good luck. Just gotta wait and see what happens. Is it not charging? Okay, now that the cat is gone, no, show the cat. Nah, it's gone. I'm in with 40. I'm in with 40. Let's see how this moves. Come on, I want to see a spike up. this is going down to 3, then going up. Possibly. Tomorrow. Uh, we did take a loss yesterday of 1200 yesterday on that account. We took a payout. We lost 1200. So I need to make those way back. It's not the best here so far. We break these lows, we probably come to stop us out for this to move. I don't like this 5. This 5 is not good. Ugh. 15 is not the best. I want this 15 to flip if we do want to push back up. Okay. It's getting close to our stops. Okay. Oh, what the fuck? I'm not even showing the charts. Bruh. I apologize. Oh, I'm not even fucking showing it. My bad. My bad. Shorts on the 15. Yeah, 15 is looking a bit scary. 15 is looking a bit scary here. Not gonna lie. Oh, I mean, we broke these lows, so let's see what happens here. Could really stop us out here. The place that I was expecting a bounce up from has already got taken out by the sales volume. So nothing I can do about here. Just gotta sit tight and just wait. This is not NQ. This is GC. Yes, 1 to 2 is usually my aim, and I basically take my first partials out around 1 to 1. Go. I hate GC, honestly. I don't know what's wrong with GC volume. It has been slowing down. It hasn't been. I mean, yesterday was not good at all. Yesterday, the volume was not good at all. Hey, thank you for the gifts. Thank you. You didn't have to do that, but thank you. Yeah, I mean, GC, since yesterday, I don't know what GC's been doing since yesterday. Yesterday, we did not have the best volume, and right now, we're kind of still not having the best volume here. I'm not sure what is going on with GC, but it's definitely slowed down since last month. Maybe it's because we'll have a new month or whatever. But hey, I mean, you got out. I'm still in it. It hasn't stopped me yet. But it already broken the low. It already broken the lows that I'm seeing resistance from. So just gotta wait and see. You sized in heavy, my guy. That's kind of how I normally size in. I just wanna trying to build a buffer again because since I took in two payouts on this account, just building a buffer again. So yeah, do have to size in a bit heavier for that. I'm trying to get moved to live too. So oh, you're on GC? No, the nine. The 996.5, that's where my stops is at. Okay. Um, if we do push up from here, we do need to push up from here with volume. But if we do retrace back down, then we're for sure going to get stopped out. Don't want to see a retracement back down whatsoever to these lows that we just made. If we do, we're probably going to get stopped. But there's no to this high. I need to see. Yeah, I need to see high volume pushing it up now. Trying to clearing this whole zone out if we do want to push back up. But we just gotta wait and see how it works. Let's see on this candle if buyers step in and push it back up, creating a hammer. If we do, then this could be good. But if we don't, and if we close this bearish, then it's probably going to retrace back down, breaking these lows. This is 50K? Yes, it is. No. I don't know how. I didn't know you could do that much contracts with MGC. Well, if you have a buffer, you can, yeah. Like I said, I have a buffer on this account. So. We need to clear these highs right here. I don't want to see it retracing back down. I mean, it's not really the best. It's not really the best 15 for the guaranteed shorts, honestly. 30-minute is more of what I'm looking at right now in the hourly. More aggressive, but we'll see what happens. At the end of the day, it is what it is. See. No, I do not. How many countries can you enter in on GC 50K Express? Hey, the higher the buffer you have, the higher the contracts you can size in with. I can probably go in with 5 more, or 10 more actually. Entry too early? No, I had a good entry. Really, I had a solid entry off that 5-minute inside. I'm really happy with that entry. No, I do not. I was just wondering since the chart on the right was MNQ. Yeah, I'm just looking on how it's moving because from yesterday to today I'm not really happy with the movement of gold, of how gold is moving. Not really happy with it. So that's why I have MNQ. I just want to see how volume compared to um, NQ. How are we doing there? Because at the end of the day, if we keep this volume up on GC, then I don't really want to trade it anymore. You know what I mean? Yeah. I mean, if we had higher volume, it will have probably pushed up. If we had higher volume, because we kind of pushed up after the inside break, which pushed up with higher volume. I was expecting a smooth push up on that, honestly, but we did not. We just chopped around that same. We chopped around that same level, and we're back. So this is just a normal volume on gold. Last month weren't normal. Nah, gold has always been moving good, but lately, since the open of the new month, it's not been the best. Why are you gonna push back up here? It breaks to 15 to the downside. I'm basically out of that trade. Simple matters. I talked to the market maker and he said it's gonna skyrocket. Sure, let's go. That 5 minute is not inside on MGC. Yep. Interesting. This guy yawns more than he talks. Bro, guess what? What's up? It's good. It's gonna sell. Let it sell, bro. Like what? If it wants to sell, let it sell. Triple shot. Save yourself, don't learn. Who can teach me how to train? Talking right now. Who's on the other end? That is Turbo. We are on the Discord. We're live in the Discord also. Here is that break of the 5. And we are out. Yep. Mm-hmm. Alright. I am out and about. Alright. Okay. Another day. Another day in paradise. Yeah, there it is. That is when I guess the win streak stopped, and now we're on a losing streak. No. We're chilling. It's okay. It's okay. The main thing is that we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We had 10 winning days. Took a payout on that account on this day. So these days are okay. We can build a balance back up on them. That's, that is okay. That's completely fine. I'm not worried about that one bit because they can be built again. But yeah, I am not sure what happened in that position, but I guess sellers had a different idea about pushing this back down. Still, honestly, I would still have taken that trade again and again. I would have taken it another time if I even see it. Overall, we were bullish like everybody saw. 4 hour was bullish, hourly was bullish, 30-minute was bullish, 15. Every time frame, all time frame lined up with the bullish sentiment. And we had this inside on the 5-minute right there. And I took it right there for that push up because we did break the 4,000 levels. That is what was important for me, is the 4,000 levels. Breaking off those levels right here because we had a supply right here. We did break that supply, but we ended up testing out that high right there and pushing back down. So, yeah. There was a volume gap. Was there? Yeah, I mean, it's what it is. It is what it is. At the end of the day, I am a human. I take losses. Oh, what the fuck? I was explaining and nobody can see the charts. I joined both losing days. That's fine. That's okay. It happens. Stuff happens. It is what it is. We just gotta learn from it, journal it, and come back again. And yeah, just come back again. So what I was saying, I'll go repeat it again. 4 hour overall was bullish. 4 hour overall is bullish. We did break a 2 down. Right here, we broke a 2 down in the previous 4 hour, but we failed that direction to the downside. We pushed back up, and I wanted these highs to be targeted next, which is the 4 hour high. That's where I had my first TP a little bit lower because I did not want to get edged. The hourly looked very bullish. We were up there at some point. 30 closed up, previous 30 closed up a hammer, indicating very bullish. We had a 2-2-2 continuation. We had also this closed up bullish. We were at this, you could say this supply zone right here that we did break off a little bit from. On the 15, there was this huge supply, I guess. We are still tested out. And on the 5-minute, you also have a supply right here. So, best thing, we should have waited for that supply tab, but After the push off 4,000s, I expected us to continue moving up, especially especially after having this inside bar. So we had this inside bar that was broke to the top side here, and I took my entries right there, and I targeted basically the 4 hour high, which was right there, and I had my stops underneath these lows. So that was kind of the idea, and I really did like it for the longs. We got the little push up here. We got like 30 ticks on that push up, but fortunately it moved back down. Um, what moving averages? I have the 9 and the 20. You will never be able to live for training if you're just copying somebody else's trade using your own analysis. Thanks, man. No problem. So it's bearish. It's basically, yeah, I mean, it's pivoting to the bearish move, but still, I'm not seeing it as aggressive for the bearish move. We could retrace back up from these levels, testing out VWAP right here, and we can probably retrace from that to the top side here. But yeah. Okay, thank you. No problem. Can you check global chat on your Discord? You mean general chat? Okay. Let me see. Yeah, this is, yeah. ZZ emotions out of the roof right now? No, bro. I locked the account. I am done for the day. I locked that account. That's the account that I wanted for us to take. Don't say I didn't tell you. About what? About what? You didn't tell me about what? How does your Tradify market look like that? How does your Tradify market? That's not Tradify, that's Top Step. Might see the push back up from here. You actually have VWAP right there perfectly. Yeah, we tapped into VWAP, retraced back up. I don't know, that felt more like Asia Open than the other one. Yeah. I might. Why did you lock yourself out? Because I'm taking one trade a day on that. I'm not. I'm trying to take this account to live, and I'm trying to show people how to be disciplined and how to basically risk management on that account. And that's basically why I do it. And I'm going live. I told you guys that that's the goal with this account is to go live. Oh yeah. Yeah, so that's why I locked it. I'm only taking ZZ and so I can trade, bro. I can trade different account. Yes, I have multiple accounts. I have multiple accounts to trade from. I have insane amount of accounts to trade from, but I'm not gonna do that though. You know, I can do that, but there it is. There she is. There she goes. There she goes. There she goes. Extremely emotional right now? Why? Why are we emotional? Eyes don't lie. So so we have this. This is on the same account. That was requested from that account. And then we have that requested yesterday too. I just got that money today in my bank account. Literally got those today. But better take a payout before you blow it again. Yeah. Yo. Yeah, I think we're getting Asia Open wrong game. Yeah. 'Cause that can't be right. That volume is so garbage. That is pre-market volume. That is I traded pre Asia. That can't be Asia volume. There's no way. I don't know. This is Asia. Like this feels like it's Asia. I don't know. I'm still so confused about this whole thing. I really think the hourly change is messing us up. Yes, for sure. For sure. I think it's like that. I don't know. You're coming on time. It's just opened. Okay. Tomorrow I'll come on at 7. Tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll come on at 7. Time to move back to Oregon. uh, we're all telling you on a Discord. Yeah, I see it. I see you. I see everybody saying that. Oh shit. Never mind. Then, you know what? Then we'll wait. To- There's no way. We tested out fucking. Oh my god. We tested out that demand zone and the VWAP so perfect and pushed straight back up. You guys Bro, this time zone makes me so lost. Me too. Z, tell Turbo it's time to get rid of the rental. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. Mine said 7. Tomorrow Asia closed. Yeah, it is. Tomorrow's Friday. Forgot about that. What's your time zone? Central. Tokyo opened 8 minutes ago. That's Asia opening has volume. Well, just because it has volume doesn't mean like it's open, you know what I'm saying? But it would make sense. I've been saying this since the beginning. It would make sense if we're still 7. Because like I don't understand if the market times don't change, then why did we change Asia? Like what? If markets open at 5, like how it normally does, and New York opens at 8:30, how it normally does, and London opens at 2, how it normally does, then why does fucking Asia have it? I mean, what? Look at this fucking push, man. First TP right there, boys. It's first TP. Gonna break high of day like we did yesterday multiple times. Bro looks like he's about to cry. Cause I'm so damn confused, man. I'm so confused. Ah, man. Alright. That is it. I'm not doing this shit again with I'm not doing this shit. It is what it is. How do I do this shit? It's the time change, man. It's fucking up with my head. Crash out. Fucking crash out, bro. Holy shit. Crash the fuck out right now. Nice gold, nice. I love it. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. Why would Asia Open change if NY doesn't either? That's what I'm fucking saying. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. Like, if market opens at 5, East, I'm talking Central Time, okay? If market open at 5, bro, stop complaining, move on. G, get the fuck out of my stream then. I'm not complaining. I'm just confused. Is it bad for me to be confused? You're gonna hold that against me too? The what? Because I'll joke. See, I love you, bro. يعوض الله إن شاء الله. أكيد 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 أكيد. Is the lightning one? Is the lightning worth it, or should just go do a challenge? Look, if you have difficult times passing a combine or passing an eval, go with the lightning funded. Lightning funded is good because it keeps you on your toes. You cannot blow it in one day. It's impossible for you to blow it in one day. There is also a consistency rule. You got to be consistent on it. You got to follow consistency rule to receive that payout. And you can get 30% off. You can use my code, get 30% off. And if you join the Discord, I do a bunch of giveaways. I'm a partner with them right now. I talk with them a lot, and I do a bunch of giveaways with them. I'm trying to, you guys, a lot of people ask me to do it, so I'm doing it for you guys. And the more that people use that code, the more that they give me accounts to give it to you guys. I get a bunch of accounts that we do giveaways. We're doing so many giveaways lately on the Discord. It is insane. It is insane how much giveaways I'm doing on the Discord. Like, it's almost every 2 weeks we're doing like 3 accounts, 5 accounts. 95 was support level from broken. Yeah. So, yeah. If you want, let's talk about cars again. So should I get an M8? Should I get an M8? Should I get an M5? M8 or an M5, guys? What do you think? Should I get an M8 or an M5, guys? This or that? Civic? Fuck out of here. Get property, not tax. Get property, not cars. M8. M8. The only way. Z. M4 comp. I don't want a V6. Bro, you just lost. Why can't you lock in at specs? I don't care, bro. I don't care about that. Tell Turbo to use ICT. W's. RS8? Well, there's no such thing as RS8. Get a C7, I'm good. Not as a first car. C7 as a second car. C63 AMG. RSQ8. I don't want an SUV. R6. Mercedes as a second car. Yes, that's it. There's no way I would get a Mercedes as a first car. Not my thing. Not my thing. Yes. RSA, not a real thing. No, it's not. RSA is not a thing. Car payment? What car payment? You talking about? The fuck? Fuck. Are you taking more trades? If something presents itself. If something presents itself. But this is just fucking mooning. It just makes sense. You started losing, you were taking W's after W's. Yeah, I mean, this really proves it right here. I mean, it can't be my issue. Like, you know, like what? I mean, it can be. I'm the problem, but like I like the cars that go vroom. Yo, what's up? Terrible's trying to talk to you. Is he? Are you trying to talk to me? That's what I'm saying. I mean, somebody made a point. He's like, there's like, it has to be the time change because there's no way you start taking L's right after time change. uh, ICT kill zones. What do you mean ICT kill zones? Wow, there's a bot. There's a bot that is using my name on my live W's. Use ICT kill zone. What the fuck is an ICT kill zone? We are getting in too early. I'm from China. And we did change time. There's no shot. He said I'm from China and we did change time. uh, I said I'm China. Just use the same time as always. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. You guys are so ICT phobic that you don't know what is a session time indicator. Bro, I know what it. Okay. Where's that shit at? Hold up. Where's the session indicator at? What the fuck is it? Is it here? Do we have it here? Top Step have it? Fuck. Or no. Lame. Trading View. I don't use Trading View. Let me see. Indicators. What the fuck? I mean, hey, this is a good level to short. If we do respect this shit. Hold up. Hold up. We'll see. If this 5 minute closes inside, bro, this 5 minute closes inside, I'm taking shorts. Breaks to the downside. Well, yeah, but it looks like it's gonna go shorts. And then we did tap into like you can say a supply right here. We're ejecting off of it, so I'm gonna give that a try. But we just gotta wait for this. I'm gonna wait for this 5 minute right here. Let's try to redeem ourselves. Let's see if this is actually Asia open or no. If we book, that means it's Asia. If we don't, that means Asia is patched. Okay. All right. Here's an inside we have. And if we break to the top side, obviously we'll continue that move up, but we'll see. Break to the downside, we will break to the downside and push down. If we don't, then we'll just take it to moon up. Just continue that move up. It's very weak. If it pushes up here, then it's gonna continue that move up, and I'm gonna hop on that. So it's a very important level, you could say. With just, yeah, it's just this 5 minutes should determine kind of where we go. But I do want to see a break off the mother bar too. So that will kind of also give us that right there. All right, I'm in. I'm in shorts. Uh, 10 more. 10 more here. And 10 more. I'm going to risk 1,500 on this. Target of 1 and 2. This is the only position I'm going to be taking today on this session. That's it. Whatever this session is, this is the only trade that I'm going to be taking today. That's it. After that, I'm hopping off. Whatever happens on this, I'm getting off basically. Okay, we broke the mother bar to the bottom side here. We broke the 5 to the downside. I do want to see this 5 hold these levels and close bearish. So we can have a nice close here on the 15. I'm in with 50 cons right here. Yes, on my lightning funded. Hey, somebody got to make money today. Skills G. Pro. If this 15 doesn't play out, I'm gonna crash out. You creaming. If this 15 pushes back up, breaking a 2 up. Probably go to the call Rob Smith, bro, for real. It's not a good trade, sure. Fuck off, goddamn. Yalla, plummet. You took another trade? Yes, I did. It's going down. Good girls go down, you know? Who determines if your trade is good? My chat. My chat. My chat determines if my trade is good or no. No. Thought process. Alright. We tapped into this supply zone right here. There we have a supply zone on basically right there on the other side. We have a supply zone right here that we did tap into. We see rejection coming in. We see this 5 minute giving us a shooter right here. Fell 2 up. Inside, broke to the downside, broke the mother bar to the downside. 15 is, huh? Bro, I'm explaining. Can I explain? Meow. 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 But what? Bring me on stage. Oh, meow. Meow meow. Meow. You creaming? Come on. Break the 15. Good boy. Crazy work. Drop, top, and rain. See, drop, top, and rain. Alright, I'm getting the hammer out. Nah, bro, your hammer is not hammering. Watch. Watch. Got you. Watch my hammer. This is my hammer working. And watch this flush. Yellow gold flush. Let me get another clip. Let me clip farm you gold. There it is. I tell you the my hammer don't fail me. My hammer don't fail me. There it is. Come on. I got you. I'll go over trader recap after this. All right, first TP hit. Gang, I'm in with 50 cons. 50 cons, gang. Relax. Yeah, I'm definitely not hopping on a 6 Central. I'm definitely not hopping on 6. Hell no. Someday. 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 Got you, broskies. I'm doing the labor work right now. I'm hammering. I'm doing the labor work for you guys. What do you mean you welcome, bro? You just said this is a bad trade. What do you mean you're welcome? Get out of here. Yeah. To make you love me. Come on, GC. And every time I try. Nah, you creamin'. You creamin', my duh. My day, you creamin'. Okay. Yeah, that's going straight up to break even. Let it. Bro, this is the kind of volume, bro. Holy. Okay, bro. Tough Al Azawi, why are you hating, broski? I know you Arab. Why are you hating? Why are you hating? I know you Arab. Why are you hating, bro? Hating on another man? Prophet is crazy work. What is he saying? I will after the trade, guys. After the trade, I'll do the recap after the trade. We still kids we used to be. I love you, Z. Huh? Haha, now you love me. To see if I still believe. Fucking hell. W. Placement of first repeat. They want you for your money, Z? I know, bro. They creaming. I'm scared to tell Terrible to stop. Stop. Stop it. Stop it. See if I still believe. Bro, there's no Asia anymore. Asia is done. They deleted Asia from the market. Asia servers are patched. It's hitting the FVG. W's. I'm about to hit your FVG, bro. Oh. Yo, Z, how do you feel about Moroccan? Then ask Turbo. They're goated. Moroccans are goated. You guys got some good food. Couscousi, we got a lot of things. What? The food. Food, broski, the food. The food, yeah. Yo. The show. And we're out of break even. Tough. Tough. No shot. 15 breaks at 2 down just to go back up. FPG, it's an FPG. We're. He said FVG. We tapped into an FVG and we reacted. My crash out, bro. Y'all want some pancakes? Please make some pancakes. Is it better to trade micro? Just depends if you want to scale. If you take partials out. It's no shot. What's wrong with gold? Are we just going to push up again to all-time highs? What are we doing? I mean, give us some clean price action when it does that, though. It's gonna fly? Fly with it. Turbo has been liquidity. Turbo's always been liquidity. Liquidation system. Z, enter recap please. I got school tomorrow, gang. Bro, what is me giving you a recap to do with school? Hold up. Let me go give him a quick recap. Trade recap. Like I said, 15-minute supply. This whole zone right here, 15-minute supply. We see weakness coming in. It's not as aggressive as the buyers were down here. Weakness started coming in around this level. We did see a failed 2 up on the 5-minute, giving us a shooter right here, giving us this beautiful shooter. Then after that, we see that we have an inside bar. So we have a 5-minute failed 2 up. We failed that direction to the top side, obviously, and then we closed inside here. We also had an inside bar right here, so it gave us a 2-1-2 bearish reversal. Unfortunately, it did not go to our full TP. It just gave us a 1-1, which is, I am fine with that. I'm okay with that. Whatever happens, happens. We're breaking high of days again and again and again. It is what it is. We took our 900 and we are done for the day. We're down on one account and we're up on the other one. It is what it is. It happens. 15-minute kind of confirmed that direction, but not really. So, but yeah. So that is what happened. It's bullish. I mean, 4 hour, daily, hourly, 30-minute, all the high time frames are bullish, except the 15 was bearish. So we're trying to catch that reversal move. Reversal moves are always risky. So, anyways, that is it for me for today, guys. I appreciate you for joining in. If you haven't followed, please make sure to follow. Tomorrow, I don't know. I don't know what the fuck is happening, guys. What the whole session thing. I'll try to figure it out. I'll try to figure it out and see when does Asia open or whatever, because that is what it has been messing us up. We're down on this account, but it's okay. And anyways, guys, dude is hedging with 2 different accounts. You are creaming. You are creaming. You are creaming. Anyways, appreciate you guys for being in here. If you haven't followed, please drop a follow. If you're on the YouTube, subscribe and like. It helps out a ton. Guys, if you're watching me on the TikTok and you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Go to the recent TikTok that I posted and comment your opinion on what kind of whip should I be getting. Should I cop this? Should I cop this? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? Or should I cop an M5? Should I cop an M8 or an M5? An M8 or an M5? No? A convertible, because convertible, you know, M8 convertibles, and they're slept on. They're literally slept on. M8 you see everywhere, not in Texas. Not in Texas you don't. Not in Texas you don't. Yes, bro. M8 is so slept on, it's crazy. M8 is perfect. That's what I'm saying. What's your budget? I don't have a budget. But it's just like, I want a V8. I want a nice V8. I want a nice V8. I was thinking about either this or GT 63 S AMG. Bro. GT 63 S. What do we say? This or fuck, where did it go? Or that? This or that? Looking at cars with negative P&L. Nothing has happened, bro. Relax. I'm done trading for the day. What's your current car? I have an M4. Show the other one. This is the other one. Get the M8 tomorrow. I like them all. I have a 2016. I had my M4. I had my M4 since like fucking a long time ago. So I want a V8. I want a V8. I want a V8. I know F82 is insane, and mine is an individual too. Like mine is crazy. M4 nice, but the exhaust sounds well. Yes, if you mod it. Search for Alpina M8. Yeah, I mean, yeah, but those are I don't know. I don't know. I don't like how those look. They look more luxurious. I want something that looks sporty and luxurious at the same time. Sporty from the outside, luxurious from the inside. Alpina looks luxurious from all around. I do like Porsches, yes. But I don't want to get GT3 RS right now. At GT3 RS, I was thinking about getting one when basically when I get into like real estate more. Get a Urus, AMG 63, or an M8. V8 or death. Just buy a truck, gang? Hell no. You ain't catching me with a truck. You ain't catching me in a truck. You ain't catching me with a truck. Hell no. The CTV, I know, I seen those, but nah. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Appreciate you guys for being in here. Go comment on my recent video. Go comment on my recent video. On my TikTok video. And let me know what you guys think. And I'm still thinking about it. But appreciate you guys for being in here. I am hopping off. I am done for the day. That is it. Why did our viewers just jump from freaking 400 to 800 all of a sudden? What's going on? We're done trading. We're done trading. Oh, I think Terrible just got off the stream, right? Terrible's out. Yeah, that's why. Okay, because Terrible left. All right. Well, I am out too. Thank you guys for joining. I am done for today. I will see you guys tomorrow during New York session. And peace out. Follow, guys. If you haven't followed, drop a follow, please. I am live every single day. I'm live every single day. I will see you guys tomorrow during New York session. Hopefully, we'll take a banger tomorrow. Again, we'll take a banger tomorrow, hopefully, on New York. Peace out.